Tax season is officially here. The IRS has begun accepting your tax returns.
Yes, but filing can be confusing and it often leads to issues and then people missing out on money you may be owed. WCNC Charlotte is here to help, try and get you ahead so you're not left asking, where's the money?
Yeah, with that, we want to get over to our Miles Harris, who's joining us to talk about what folks need to know this year.
Yeah, well, Colin and Vanessa, it's really already that time of year again, the start of the process when it comes to filing your taxes. But here's the tricky thing. Tax provisions, they can change literally every single year. So we got a chance to sit down with some tax experts to help you avoid any mistakes and help you get the most out of your returns. Tax season is here, and the IRS is expecting to see more than 128 million tax returns to be filed this year. Now, according to a new Credit Karma survey, 31% of taxpayers say that they depend on tax returns to make ends meet. However, to get the most and the best out of your tax return, you'll want to make sure that you dot your I's and cross your T's. But one of the biggest mistakes that tax preparers see is around claiming children as dependents when they actually can't.
So for instance, mom may not have been working for the whole year in 2023, or someone else may have filed the child in previous years, and now that mom is able, someone else has already filed that child first. So we have seen a lot of that.
A lot of pay preparers are required.
To get ahead of this, Lem Jones with Tax Partners L&L says the IRS is doing its due diligence and stressing for more documents for kids like birth certificates, a social security number, or even a school record.
The IRS is just trying to filter just to make sure that that's their kid, or they're legally taking care of that kid.
On the other hand, Tamika Gunn with Community Link says that far too often they assist taxpayers who don't realize that they could be eligible for refunds, including the Earned Income Tax Credit and even the Child Tax Credit.
The Earned Income Credit as well as the Child Tax Credit can all help reduce the tax liability that you have, which brings in those refunds that we see that really help those families that come get their taxes prepared with us.
The difference in applying those credits on your taxes could be a lot of extra dollars in your wallet.
For instance, if you have a single mom with 3 children, and if her total household income is under $30,000, then her earned income credit on top of the child tax credit could range close to about $4,000. So that's the difference of really understanding.
Now, there is one more important tip that Tamika shared with me. Take your time when filing and make sure that you have all the right paperwork with those W-2s and even 1099s, especially if you work with several jobs in the last year. Now, the IRS says that most refunds are issued in less than 21 days. So if you think you need more time to file, you can file for an extension. However, any money owed must be sent by April 15. Colin and Vanessa.
All right, good stuff to know, Miles, especially as we started today. Thank you.